Hi, I'm Tony Carrion. The big news in the cryptocurrency world this past week was the so-called Bitcoin halving, which occurred on May the 11th. Now, what is Bitcoin halving? It's a reduction in the amount of Bitcoins rewarded to miners for completing a set of Bitcoin transactions, known as a block. It maintains the fixed supply of Bitcoin as was intended by its pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, who wanted Bitcoin to be a non-inflationary currency. Bitcoin halving takes place about every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years. The first halving took place in 2012 and the second in 2016. In the weeks leading up to the event, cryptocurrency news outlets were abuzz with headlines expressing opinions on whether the Bitcoin price might go up or down. Our view, just ahead of the event, was that other than knee-jerk reactions, the price action would be driven by the underlying wave trend, as it always is. Also, one couldn't draw conclusions about what might happen to the price based on the prior two halvings. During the 2012 halving, Bitcoin was in the midst of an uptrend that began in August of that year. The 2016 halving occurred in the midst of a 2-month correction within a very specific Elliott wave pattern, a bearish wave B triangle that preceded the final wave of the correction. In the most recent halving, Bitcoin was in a well-established uptrend from its mid-March low that advanced a Fibonacci 161.2% going into the current halving event. Taking a closer look, and in consideration of our subscribers, we won't show all the labels, but we can count a clear impulse wave going into the 10,079 high. The completion of 5 waves always leads to a correction. The sharp drop occurred the day before the halving, but Bitcoin, as we see, was in the midst of a 4th wave correction within a still larger and developing impulse wave. So what Elliott wave provides us with is a context in which to consider what might follow the halving. It's far better and more useful than trying to extrapolate from previous events, especially if you're already holding or are thinking of holding positions in Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.